नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली IAS में। और दोस्तों, आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 58 और जो मेरा टारगेट है UPSC CSE 2024 उसको डे रह रहे हैं 311 311 दिन रह रहे हैं। तो लेट अस सी व्हाट विल बी माय टुडे शेड्यूल, हाउ आई विल अचीव माय दिस टारगेट and what I will do today. But before that, let us see what I have done yesterday. And so yesterday, as you can see, 19th of July. So friends, yes, I am very happy from my yesterday's report. Reason being, I have done my yesterday's target completely, like this GS2 role of NGO SHG. I have done this role of NGO. This was my main target of yesterday, role of NGO SHG and various group, and I did that completely. So I did this technique learning also, I did this revision also, but this thing I didn't completed, this co-op margin gain research and development. I spent it enjoying. Okay, so overall I am very happy because I nearly achieved 97% of my yesterday's schedule. So I am very happy. Let us see how much I will achieve today. So today, as you can see, my target, I have mainly this thing. It is topic of GS3, conservation, environment, pollution, degradation, environment, pollution and environment impact assessment, half of this topic. So I will do half of this topic, environment impact assessment and environment pollution, half of this topic during these three study block 1 2 3, and this is my buffer time. If anything remaining, I will do that during this time. Otherwise I will do something useful for UPSC CSE. Okay, and 9 to 10 I will do revision, retrieval of same thing. Retrieval it will be different from revision, I will tell you later. And 10 to 11 I will do co-op margin gain research and development. So this is my today's schedule. Let us see how much I will achieve. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.